ladies and gentlemen, now let's all sing along. You know the words to the greatest song ever written, our national anthem.
Follow my tempo, please. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets regular, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Thank you, Meg! You are awesome. Once again, give it up for the Eagle River AFJ ROTC state champions right there. By the way, this is the second time we've had to do the Running of the Reindeer without live music from Hobo Jim, but we do have a lot of his songs being played. Please, everybody, look up to the sky and howl for Hobo Jim, who's with us in spirit today. This will also be the first Running of the Reindeer since we started this back in 2008 that we do not have the 4th Avenue Theater marquee to look at either. So it's a little historic, a little sad, but let's have some fun. And give it up for our Rondi royalty right here, ladies and gentlemen. I got some Rondi trivia for you, Brock. Did you know?
Hit me.
Rondi's been held every winter for 88 years. Rondi supports over 35 local nonprofits. And Running of the Reindeer, by the way, every person has a bib on. Thank you. You've made a donation to Toys for Tots, and all your money stays here in Alaska to help out kids. So thank you very, very much. The women are going first. Now, the reason why we let the ladies go first is because they know how to organize and they do it right. So gentlemen, please watch how the women do it.
True.
All right? Ladies, come on up and get behind the Rondi royalty. Ladies only, or if you identify as such. It's 2023, man. You got to get it right.
That's right.
And for people viewing the Running of the Reindeer, we are running east towards E Street with the start being here at 4th and G. So if you are down by E, this is going to be fantastic for you. You're going to see some really good running. If you are a little bit closer, this is where all the humanity is bunched up. And I think you're going to have a really good view of some chaos as well.
In the 15 years, no one has been injured by a reindeer yet. Only people being injured are injured by people that are faster than the slow people that fall down. Thank you so much to our fine sponsors, Alaska Communications and Alaska USA Federal Credit Union. We want to thank all of these sponsors here, especially Alaska Federal Credit Union, for helping to make this epic Alaskan event possible. With Alaska USA Federal Credit Union, your success comes first. And today, they wish you all a very successful run with the reindeer. And hopefully, no one gets hurt too badly. That's what they wrote. I hope someone gets trampled. I've waited 15 years to see it, and I haven't seen it yet.
The views of Bob Lester are not condoned by K-Well.
But they should be. All right, hold on. I got to get my camera out and Facebook Live this thing. Please run around me. I'd appreciate it. All right, Brock, get ready for the countdown, all right?
We'll count them down from 3. Everybody ready? Make some noise! 3, 2, 1, go! Please do not touch the reindeer as you run by them.
Where are the reindeer?
Where are the reindeer?
So everyone is running towards the reindeer.
Oh, they're gonna bring them back.
Yeah.
Got it.
We don't have the reindeer at the starting line.
Oh, we're doing a little different this year. No one told me that.
Somebody started drinking early, it sounds like.
Look at all the John Cena reindeer right now.
These reindeer are hulked up this year, Bob. Like, these things are yoked.
The women are down there. The women are going to bring them back. They're going to bring them back. Oh, I guess. They're going to go back. That's all right.
We missed the damn dogs this morning, so I want to see the reindeer.
Oh, we're going to go there tomorrow.
All right, so this is actually the finish line. Huh? So wait, we're making it run all the way down, and they got to run all the way back? Just the first group. Just the girls.
Just the women, yeah.
Women roll to the finish line.
Leave it to the women.
All right, so this is the finish line. I really have no idea
No,
what's happening.
this is the start. They're gonna bring them back for us.
They're going to go get the reindeer?
Yeah, that's what I'm
Yeah,
thinking.
the reindeer is still at the other end. So how about ladies come back?
I am so happy about this situation. Ladies and gentlemen, I gotta ask again, where are the reindeer exactly?
They are on F Street. The
They're over
reindeer. No, the reindeer are east.
Okay, the reindeer are that way.
Yes.
And so the ladies ran that way because...
You told them to.
Awesome! That is the first time I've ever had women pay attention to anything I said. And the last time. That's awesome. They ran down here for nothing.
I just stretched it
that
out.
is so great. I mean, I feel really horrible that this happened. All right,
Brock,
so they
why did
ran
you
down
do
there
that?
to greet the reindeer. I got you.
I do what I'm told.
All right, so the ladies are going to have to come all the way back and do that again.
Yeah.
Right, they're coming.
I'm tired for them. How far did they go? Exactly.
They went all the way.
Are they in Muldoon?
Yeah.
Ladies, come back! I was kidding! I think that's pretty funny, actually.
That's hilarious.
I was truly an accident. I really didn't know that was going to be that way. Maybe I did.
Do they want to run it again?
And yeah, they're gonna do it again with reindeer this time. That one was for PETA, okay? We did it without the reindeer, so PETA can see that we care about their feelings. And now we're gonna do it with reindeer.
You have all made history viewing the very first running at the reindeer.
That was beautiful. Boy, are these ladies going to be tired. That's fantastic. If we could get all the people waiting to run to go ahead and make 2 lanes, so we need an opening in the middle to put the reindeer. Come on back, ladies. Boy, now I'm going to get an earful when they come back. I'm going to hide. Brock, I can't believe you made those ladies run. All the people waiting to run, we need you to back up about 100 yards. Back up into the inlet, please. Keep going back. No one's going to listen to me. I've ruined the trust of everyone here. Sorry, ladies. Thanks for running. I appreciate it.
Don't listen
This
to
is the
Matt.
2023 running of the women.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Okay, we'll line the girls up right here at the front of the arches here.
You know, something should have triggered inside me when I didn't see reindeer behind them.
There's this nice gentleman over here, and he goes, "Excuse me, but where are the reindeer?"
Yeah.
And he has an accent. He's not from here, I can tell.
Well, I was
"Oh,
told,
they're
let's
coming
get it
later."
going. It's cold. Let's get going. And so I was just trying to. And now I'm sure the ladies aren't cold anymore.
Oh, they're not cold.
Good job, ladies. Good job. Well done.
They got to run twice for the price of one.
I tell you what, on Monday morning, you need to call KGOT and give them a piece of your mind. Making you run like that. Back up, please. All the people waiting to run, keep backing up. Please keep backing up. Sorry, ladies. I'm mostly sorry. I thought that was the thing to do. You did. Who came in first? You did? Congratulations. You are the first one to listen to me.
South Carolina.
South Carolina?
That's right. That's right.
I'm getting flipped off over here by this one. Hey, I'm sorry. I just assumed that was what was supposed to happen. So, I love your hat. All right, back up, ladies. Back up a little bit. I swear to God, this is the real run. I'm not standing in the middle this time.
Yeah,
I'm going to move out of the way. All right, Rondi Royalty, get in front. Rondi Royalty, take your place. There will be reindeer following you this time, I promise. Thanks again to ACS, proud sponsors of Running of the Reindeer. Currently building Alaska's fastest internet as a longtime supporter. Alaska Communications reindeer handlers are serious about their task and have had hands-on training in preparation for today. They wish all the participants a safe and uneventful sprint to the finish line. All right. Hey, Brock.
Yes, sir.
You're blocking the view of about 19 people, you big, beautiful man.
Sorry.
Here, I'll come over here. I was about to call him something else.
Any better?
Way better. Hey, we got any 36 Crazy Fists in the house? He's got a new band, Paradise Slaves. Monday morning we'll play new music from his new band. They are fantastic. All right, you guys ready? I promise, this is it. We'll count them down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go! Lap number 2, this one counts. They look tired. And there goes the
We got a block. Watch out behind you.
Oh my God. There's a second run. A second hit. These are the angry ones. In case you're wondering, the slowest reindeer today will be featured at Gwenny's restaurant next week.
You're the reindeer.
Sausage? No, I got rid of the pocket.
Some call me a timber tramp,
Pocket meat. How do you like that
5 a.m. my breakfast fix. I'm in the woods to work by 6 of the life of a logger is for
Right now,
me.
man, they're
All the life of a logger is for me.
Otherwise, your battery.
Make some noise for the very first successful run of the 2023 Running of the Reindeer!
The state that stands alone. There's a dark race run from Equay Chibnall.
Flatlanders, baby.
And it's a girl and race with a lightning pace with the chilly winds do wail along. Beneath the northern lights across snow and the ice, it's called the Iditarod Trail. We'll give me a team and a good lead dog and a sled that's built so fine. And let me race those miles to Nome 1049. Then when I get back to my home, hey, I can tell my tale. I did the Iditarod Trail. Well, the race it won't be easy for the masters of the trail.
That is awesome. Fireball. I love the men. Come here, dude. Yeah, you and the guy in the shorts. Come on here for a second. We have a tradition here at Rondi. We have at least a couple of guys do snow angels for us. All right? So I just want to know if you want to participate in our snow angel contest with this scantily clad young man right here. First of all, what is your name, sir?
Bladen,
Where are you from?
Nebraska.
Of course you are. They grow them dumb in Nebraska, and you're wearing shorts out here. It's 5 degrees. Where are you from, sir?
Anchorage.
You're from Anchorage, Alaska. You're a smart guy. That's awesome. So I tell you what, I don't know if you're going to be able to do a snow angel with this on. So I tell you what, I'm going to transfer. Come here. Come here. Both of you guys come out here. I apologize, Nebraska. You're smarter than they are. Where are you from?
Oregon.
Of course you are. You from Oregon as well? I'm from the Kiski. Oh, welcome. Oh, come on out here. Absolutely. All right, so all 4 of you guys, let's make a row right here really quickly. All right, stop right there, stop right there, stop right there. Right over here. There we go. See, you got a little insulation. I'm feeling good for you. This guy's in trouble. You'll be dead by noon tomorrow. All right? So here's what I want you to do. All I want to do, when I say go, I just want you to run about 10 feet and then hop down front first and make me some snow angels, all right? We're going to do the face plant snow angels, okay? You guys make some noise for these 4 beautiful men. Whoever makes the best snow angel wins nothing. All right. I would say right in the sun area would be good. Are you ready? On your marks, get set, go! Get down there! Let's go! Show us your beautiful snow angels! That is just incredible!
Yeah,
See? Look at this. These are beautiful. You guys did a really good job. Thank you. How you feel? Yes, you do. Man, Jägermeister is a wonderful thing. Hey, thanks again to ACS. Make some noise for ACS, proud sponsor of Running of the Reindeer. They're great. We appreciate you building the fastest internet in the state of Alaska. ACS wants all of you guys to run a safe race. Now, once again, gentlemen, I need you to split all the way over. Half of you on this side, half of you on that side. We got to have a clear path for the reindeer, okay? So if I can get you guys to move all the way over. If you're on the other side of the blue here, come on to the other side of the blue. Keep moving, keep going, keep going, keep going. You're getting close, keep going. There you go, there you go. Good job. All right. Our next heat after this is couples, and then we have the tourists go last. For all of our tourists that are from out of state, it's an extra $200 to run in this. So you can just pay myself or Brock. We'd appreciate that. Thank you very much. Oh, by the way, the Anchorage Wolverines last night defeated Fairbanks 6-3. They're playing again tonight in the Ben Bogey. Some tickets are still available if you guys want to watch some hockey later on this evening. Please enjoy all that Ferrandi has to offer. We appreciate you. The ceremonial start of the Iditarod got underway this morning. They'll be leaving from Willow tomorrow as the Iditarod continues on. How many people are from Alaska? Make noise, all of the Alaskans. How many out-of-staters we got? Make some noise. Wow. How many people out of America are here today? Hold on, we got a whole group over here. Gotta find out where these guys are from. How are you? Now, who yelled that said they were not from America? Yes? Where are you from? Oh, Canada. How are you? Welcome. Good to have you. You guys all from Canada? Where are you from? England. My mother is from England. Hello. How are you? Prince Harry, what's his deal, right? Talking about how hard his life is, Prince Harry. Anyway, welcome from England. Is anyone further away than England joining us today?
right there.
Yes? Where are you from? From where? Philippines! Well, how are you? Thank you. Welcome.
I got a couple girls from Spain right here.
Where?
Right here. Right here, right here.
Oh, hi. Hello. Some Spanish senoritas. Hello. Welcome. Appreciate you. Do we have anyone from Australia? No. You're from Australia? I'm coming over to you. AC/DC, best rock band in the world, from Australia. What part of Australia are you from?
Western Australia.
I love Perth. I've never been there, but I've heard good things. It's really hot there right now, isn't it? It's summer, right? What is wrong with you? Why are you here?
I have 12 years of college.
How long did it take you to get here?
I had no idea. 12 years of college.
Oh my gosh. Well, give it up for Perth, Australia, ladies and gentlemen. It's like 90 degrees in Perth right now and lovely. We got great white sharks. We don't have those. We don't have spiders or snakes here either. Well, we love you for coming. That's wonderful. Thank you. Appreciate that. Any folks from like really, really far away, like Talkeetna?
That's a long
All right. All right, gentlemen, you saw what the ladies did. Here's what I suggest that you do, okay? When you're running from the reindeer, run past the guy in front of you and give him a little kick, okay? Now, don't do that. Give it up for the reindeer handlers, ladies and gentlemen. The ACS running of the reindeer handlers. Hi, Laura. How are you? By the way, the reindeer farm out in the Butte is open. It is fantastic. You can go and see these beautiful reindeer. If it weren't for you, we wouldn't be able to do this. So thank you very much.
How did they get the reindeer to run, Bob?
You know, Alice, I'm glad you asked that. So back when this was proposed, back in 2007, they went to the reindeer farm and said, hey, we got this idea. We want to have reindeer run with people. And they said, all right, we've never done that before, but we'll try. So they experimented all these different things to get reindeer to run across the valley out there in the Butte. They tried food and they tried water, and none of that really worked. Do you guys know what worked? Horny men chasing the women. That is correct. Reindeer are just like us. And that's what did it. So at the other end of this trail are the pheromones of a female reindeer, and these reindeer run to go get it. Every single time. Because yes, reindeer are basically 17-year-old boys.
One female pheromone to how many dude reindeers over here?
It's like every party we've ever been to. All right. Hi, gentlemen. How are you? Oh, come on. Make some noise, men. All right. Are you guys ready for the second heat tonight? It's the men running from the reindeer in 10, 9, 8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
there they go! Holy crap! Look at them sprint! Who's gonna be first? Does it matter? Of course not! It's Running of the Reindeer 2023. It couldn't be a more spectacular day in South Central Alaska.
We're watching her for you. We're watching her.
Tampa, Florida is here. Welcome. Here they come, boys. That's a drinking reindeer. He's got a half rack. And they're off. Look at him go. Uh-oh, someone lost a mitten.
Hey, he's a smart
That's one happy man.
He's that butt. Hey, look at his nasty.
from the